scarlet letters printed bold on veins. We can be ships in the night, passing my white flag displayed for your sight. Is it unfair to wish you spoke my name like you used to in pain? I miss the way you told me I wasn't good enough, 'cause at least we were talking. At least we were talking. I'm still in love with a boy that's not the same, scratching at the back door, digging up his grave, trying to kiss a soul that I couldn't find, mustering up the courage to give up the latter design. My hands are dirty from my escapades, and my heart is furious with the warning signs of disdain. Leave this man to his broken eye. You're wasting my time. You're wasting our time, and it's fine, darling. It's your choice, not mine. I fought my senses of what doing what's right, and darling, this is your choice. This is your choice, not mine. And you're wasting my time, and it's alright. This is your choice, not mine.